Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since the last time I posted a video here, and this one is a bit different. I know that many of you want painting tutorials, but for most of my paintings I cannot really make an exact step-by-step video, because the truth is, there are no exact steps. I think art is something so personal, so different for everyone. There are no rules, no rights or wrongs, just happy accidents. I know there are many teachers here who will tell you all the do's and don'ts in painting, but I'm not one of them. I'm not here to teach you how to paint or show you what's right or wrong. The reason I started this channel is because I want to inspire others to create. I believe we all have that creative energy inside of us. We are all so creative when we are kids and we have that curiosity for the world, but as we grow up we tend to forget that. We forget this feeling. So I want to help people to find that spark again. I want them to unlock that creative energy that is inside each one of us. And it's not about creating the next masterpiece. It's not about following the exact same steps as someone else. It's about expressing yourself through art. It's about freeing that creative power and just putting it on canvas. I recently read this quote that says that creating is more important than the result. And I just couldn't agree more. So don't just focus on the final result. Don't try to make your painting look perfect. Just enjoy it. Enjoy the process. Enjoy the act of creating. Because in the end of the day, that's all that matters. If you don't enjoy it, then what's the point? You can see here with this painting how I add layers upon layers, how I change things, I add things. There are no exact steps. Did I make mistakes? Probably. Is everything perfect? No. But did I enjoy painting it? Most definitely. And I just love how it looks, because I can see myself in this painting. I let myself be free, I let myself make mistakes, because I just wanted to have fun with it, rather than trying to make it look perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video and it will inspire you to paint. Just paint whatever your soul is telling you to paint. Let me know if you want more videos like this one. I would also love to hear your thoughts on painting, how it makes you feel, what inspires you. Why do you like painting in general? That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. It really means the world to me. Sending love to all of you, and until the next video, keep creating.